In an industry where precision defines performance, where reliability fuels progress, and where chemistry powers the world's energy, there is a name trusted to deliver. Mukund Industries FZ LLC is a specialty and oilfield chemical manufacturing company, delivering high-performance solutions to the oil and gas industry across the Middle East and beyond. Strategically located in Rakez, Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, our 7,000 square meter liquid products manufacturing facility is fully operational with 1,000 metric tons of raw material storage in vertical tank for liquid raw materials, with a 13,500 square meter state-of-the-art powder product production unit under development, set for commissioning by December 2026. Established in 2022, Mukund Industries was founded with a clear strategic vision. Leveraging over 17 years of industry experience, we recognize the growing demand for high-quality, locally manufactured drilling and cementing chemicals across the UAE and the wider region. Our objective is to serve as a reliable manufacturing partner, delivering consistent product quality and dependable supply to our customers. Today, Mukund Industries represents reliability, technical competence, and manufacturing excellence. At Mukund Industries, excellence is not an aspiration, it is our benchmark. At Mukund Industries, chemistry meets engineering precision. Our annual production capabilities include solid products, 12,000 to 15,000 metric tons per year. Liquid products, 20,000 metric tons per year. We manufacture a broad portfolio of products. Each product is developed with precise formulations and rigorous laboratory testing to ensure stability, strength, compatibility, field reliability. Chemical reactions form the backbone of our manufacturing processes. Through precise control of temperature, mixing, and reaction timing, we produce chemicals engineered for predictable field performance. For our powder-based products, we follow specialized chemical pathways that transform raw materials into high-performance, field-ready solutions for extreme oilfield environments. Precision grinding and micronization ensure accurate particle sizing, delivering uniform dispersion and optimized performance. Styrene acrylic emulsion polymerization are developed under controlled reaction conditions, producing both homo and copolymers. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure consistent particle size of polymer, precise molecular weight, and stable performance. At Mukund Industries, quality is built into every step of our process. From raw materials to finished products, each batch undergoes rigorous quality control. Data is meticulously recorded in compliance with ISO standards, ensuring complete traceability. All equipments are calibrated and verified. We are ISO certified and pursuing APIQ-1 certification. At labs, every procedure follows strict, good laboratory practices. At Mukund Industries, safety is not a policy, it is a culture. We conduct regular safety training programs to ensure every employee understands operational risks and mitigation measures. We believe that a safe workplace creates reliable performance, and responsible manufacturing protects not just our team, but our community and environment. At Mukund Industries, people are our strength. Every individual understands the responsibility we carry toward our clients, our colleagues, and the environment. Mukund Industries, engineering chemistry, empowering energy.